Add release conditions to an award so users will automatically receive the award when the specified conditions are met. This tutorial shows how to add a release condition to an award. To begin, from the Awards tool, click Course Awards to view the badges and certificates associated with your course. For the award you would like to add a release condition to, click Edit Properties. Next, click Create. Select a condition type, which specifies what will trigger the restrictions and release an award. And make a selection. Next, set the condition details, which further define when an award is released. And make a selection. Then, if necessary for the condition type, select a criterion from the Criteria drop-down menu. When you are done configuring the release condition, click Create. The newly created release condition is displayed. You can add multiple release conditions to an award. When you are ready, click Save. Now, when the specified release conditions are met by a user, they will receive the award. Recipients get both pop-up and mini-bar notifications. Add release conditions to an award so users will automatically receive the award when the specified conditions are met.